Chlorodifluoromethane. Carbon Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, fluorine has 7 valence electron. Here we have 2 fluorine atoms, so multiplied by 2 plus chlorine has 7 valence electron. So if we add 4 plus 1, 5, 7 times to 14, 5, 7. Now add 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 14, 26. This 26 valence electron has two tasks. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy octet and duet of the atoms present in this compound. Let me connect this atom. For connecting atoms, we are using just two dots. Now we'll satisfy octet. So for connecting, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. To satisfy octet, count like this. After 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet. Octet, 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 duet. This is the octet of central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond. That is, carbon can form 4 bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus it is the least electronegative. Plus hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So this is the Lewis dot structure. We can replace bonding pair by a line like this line. So this is the structural formula or another way of writing Lewis dot structure of dichloro difluoromethane.